Citizen Code Python. People can be digital consumers or digital designers in life. Citizen Code Python offers you a unique opportunity to join the team of digital designers, thanks to an LMS platform fully GDPR compliant, specifically designed for fun and gamified learning of programming in Blockly and Python. Over 30 hours of training were developed by experts in digital education, and your skills are valued through an open badge system. Citizen Code already has more than 50,000 satisfied subscribers, and more than 2,000 open badges have been awarded. In 2023, we target over 100,000 subscribers. So, what are you waiting for? Choose your team. Become a digital designer.